Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Our latest video is on a great gift idea for the holiday season coming up. This is the Spyderco Manbug folding knife. Part number is MBKLFP. Before I continue, make sure to subscribe to be alerted on new products, discounts, specials, and how-to videos. So this features Spyderco's trademark round hole for easy one-handed opening. As you can see here, the blade is made of VG10 steel with a fiberglass reinforced nylon handle. This measures almost 4.5 inches long when open, only 1.9 inch for the blade, and the closed length is 2.5 inches. This is small enough to carry on a keychain or in a small pack of some kind. For more details, please see the description below. This knife costs $62.25 plus shipping, but we do offer free shipping on orders of $75 or more. Again, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.